This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so the question is, how do you look up a customer's physical gift card balance through the Shopify POS system and or the Shopify admin website? So there's a few ways to do this, and it kind of is dependent on how you have fulfilled the order for a physical gift card. If you have fulfilled a physical order of a gift card and have also taken down their customer details, and therefore they have an account with Shopify on your page, they can simply go to their account and go to their gift card order and see the balance of the gift card. Now, if you haven't done that, and also you don't send an email link with the physical gift card, and it's not on the receipt, etc., because you don't take down their customer details, you're going to have to give them their gift card balance. And there's a few ways you can do this. The easiest way would be to go into, you can either go into your orders, and on the receipt there will be their order number. You can put in the order number, filter the orders, put in their order number, and then you'll see the gift card. You can do it that way. Or you can also go to your products down to gift cards, and these are all the gift cards that we've given out, and these are physical gift cards that we have shipped. And you're going to only see the last four of the gift card code. But what you can do is you can ask them to give you the code, and even if they give you the full code, you can type in the full code here, or just the last four. Enter that, and then that gift card will pop up. So if I enter B2, the gift card pops up. All you have to do is click into that, and this will show you the balance of that gift card. So as you can see, this gift card still has $10 out of $10. If they had used it partially, it will show less, obviously. You can also see the creation date of it. If it has an order number, you would see the order number on it, and it will also see who purchased it if you added customer details. So that's how you figure out what the gift card balances are and how to help your customers find the gift card balance as well. Hope that helps. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.